In this quick guide, I'll show you how to access the hidden Spotlight Clipboard History options in macOS 26.1 Tahoe and reduce its default 8-hour retention to just 30 minutes, giving you better privacy and security on your Mac. To view your clipboard history in macOS Tahoe, open Spotlight by pressing Command plus space, then press Command plus 4 to access the history of copied items, including text, links, files, or sensitive information, which stays for 8 hours by default. Some Mac users who have upgraded to macOS 26 Tahoe are concerned about their privacy and security. To access the macOS Tahoe Clipboard History settings, open System Settings on your Mac and go to Spotlight in the sidebar. Scroll to the bottom of the Spotlight settings page until you see Results from Clipboard. To change the default 8-hour retention, click the Options menu and select 30 minutes. To limit how long copied items stay, enhancing privacy and security on your Mac, or choose 7 days to save more history for a longer period, increasing productivity. To completely turn off Spotlight Clipboard History, toggle the button off. To clear the history, click Clear Clipboard History. Then click Clear to confirm. There is another way to clear the clipboard history. Press Command plus space to open Spotlight, then Command plus 4 to access the clipboard history. Next, click the More Options menu and select Clear History. If you are still not satisfied with the Spotlight Clipboard History and want more from a clipboard manager, watch this video and install Clipy. This free clipboard app also lets you use text snippets to automatically insert frequently used text into your documents or text boxes, such as your address or longer text. Find the link to the Clipy app and other free Mac app tutorials in the description box by clicking on More below this video or watch it at the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.